Great morning. My intention candle was set. I just got done meditating and just straightening up crystals to ship out and charging and all that great stuff. I had a meditative dance on this morning that I did, and I'm also charging my regression crystal. I did a lot this morning. That is just amazing. I cannot find this. I don't know where it went, guys. I don't know where it went. Just a message. This one is: stop criticizing yourself. You are perfect just the way you are. That is for someone. That is for someone. So, yeah. I also talk to people in regards to reading, right? When you're reading, stop getting electronic books. You don't know how long you'll have access to them, and when you may not be able to get access or something happens and that book is no longer being sold. If you have a book that you truly would like to read, start creating you a library. I have a whole bunch of other books outside of here, but these are the ones that I keep in my meditation room. But definitely get the physical book. I can't say that enough. I've told people that a lot. Get the physical book because you just want to have it on hand, something you can pass down to your grandchildren, your children, if you don't have children, nieces, nephews, or someone that, something that you can let somebody physically read. It's nothing like a physical book. It's nothing like a physical book. I tried to get books, the physical book, if possible. That is like my main thing. Getting a physical book is a beautiful thing. You can leave markings. You can leave notes for what you're going through at that time and why you purchased the book, which is what I do. So I want my great grands and grands to be able to look back and be like, oh wow, Granny bought this book because, or this is what this book helped Granny do, or whatever the case may be. So definitely get physical books. Now, if you do desire electronic book, I would have those for when I travel. So get the physical and the get the physical book and also get the electronic, and that can be a book that you keep with you during traveling, so that way you don't lose your physical book. So yeah, that's just a tip. Physical books at home, electronic books to travel, physical books just to have, because you just never know. You just never know. Even though you can download them, sometimes electronics act funny. So I don't know who this message is for, but if you are a book reader and you have been doing nothing but downloading books, or make sure you download them to a computer or to a external hard drive, something that you know is fully protected and you can't lose it. So yeah, so I'm done meditating. I was just trying to straighten up so I can put my other singing bowls over here. As you see, we have a lot of them. I try to keep the same things that I have. I try to make sure my girls have them. You see my shamanic drum, Naya's, and then Rizzy's here, and the tincture chimes and everything. My daughters have the same thing that I have. If you are watching this on Instagram, you can also go to my channel. Link should be in the bio. And subscribe to my channel. Share my channel. I share a lot about meditation. I am a sound healing practitioner, accredited sound healing practitioner. And I basically teach people to deep meditate with all sorts of sound healing. So yeah, and I love light. Light is just so important to me. Lights. They just bring a vibe to everything. I'm waiting on a new item for my meditation room. So that should be here today. But yeah, I love this actual space right here. This space makes me feel so amazing, and especially when I go and I lay in my little, my chase here that I was blessed with. Yeah. So yeah, it's a great morning. Just wanted to pop in and say hello, give you guys a little message and some things that were on my heart. I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm getting ready to go back and lay down for a while. So I shall talk to you guys later. Remember, You are the most important person in your life, and if you didn't exist, nothing else would exist. And I have a great video on my channel. If you're seeing this on Instagram, that's going to be loaded later today. A very great video. So if you're a mentee, it's a video that you would definitely want to have in regards to something that you get in your power set. And if you want to be a mentee, a reviver mentee, and learn about deep meditation, feel free to email me at TheCPRVibe@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you to let you know how we can get that process started. We do everything virtual, so don't worry about it. If you're not close, I definitely can still help you. I have clients all over the world. All right, later, Gators.